Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down below in the description. This video reflects my personal experience using the product service. Taboola is a content discovery platform that connects publishers and advertisers. It's a powerful tool, but can be a bit overwhelming if you're just getting started. Let's break down what Taboola offers and how it can be utilized effectively. On the publisher side, Taboola helps monetize your website by displaying sponsored content recommendations. These recommendations appear as around the web or recommended for you sections, typically at the bottom of articles. This allows publishers to earn revenue based on clicks generated on these sponsored links. For advertisers, Taboola provides a vast network to reach potential customers across a wide range of publisher sites. You can create targeted campaigns to reach specific demographics and interests, driving traffic back to your own website or landing page. One of the key advantages of Taboola is its extensive reach. They partner with thousands of publishers, giving your campaign significant potential visibility. However, this vast reach also necessitates careful campaign management and optimization to ensure you're targeting the right audience and maximizing your return on investment. Setting up and managing campaigns within Taboola requires a degree of familiarity with the platform. While the interface is generally user-friendly, understanding the various targeting options, bidding strategies, and performance metrics is crucial for success. It's recommended to start with a smaller budget and gradually scale up as you gain experience and refine your targeting. Taboola also provides detailed analytics and reporting, enabling you to track campaign performance, identify what's working, and make necessary adjustments to improve results. It's important to note that Taboola, like other content recommendation platforms, has faced scrutiny regarding the quality and relevance of some of the sponsored content displayed. As a publisher, it's crucial to maintain a balance between monetization and user experience, ensuring that the recommended content aligns with your audience's interests and doesn't detract from the overall quality of your site. As an advertiser, carefully crafting your campaigns and selecting appropriate targeting parameters is essential to avoid associating your brand with low-quality or misleading content. Overall, Taboola can be a valuable tool for both publishers and advertisers. However, its effectiveness hinges on strategic implementation, diligent monitoring, and a commitment to maintaining quality and relevance.